What's going on, YouTube? Coming at y'all with another video that most of y'all should already know how to do, but I'm gonna do it anyway, cause why not? First, you need your oil pan. You can get it at any auto parts store. Then you're gonna need a wrench. Every car different, so you're gonna need for mine, you're gonna need a 14 millimeter. Then you're gonna get you some 108 oil filter and some 5W30 Mobile One. Alright, on these cars, the oil pan is on the right side. The transmission pan things on the driver's side. So you want to loosen it. To loosen it, just pull it your way. I already loosened it a little bit, so yeah. But to loosen it, pull it your way. To tighten it, that way. And there you go. Don't be scared to get your hand dirty, man. This ain't no oil. You just wash it off. While it's doing it, let me know what else should I do to this car. I already got a new bumper, so don't worry about that. $200,000 miles. All right, it's done draining. I can't find the hole. So when you can't find it, you gotta just, all right, to tighten it, switch it that way. Put it on. Go that way with it. All right, now it's time for the oil filter. To get this out, I twist it out by hand. The key to it, you wanna wash your hand real good. And you wanna make sure the oil filter dry so you can get a good grip on it. So you just, bingo. Oil filter. Alright, I used to didn't do this, but you want to put a little bit of, you want to put a little bit of oil in the oil filter. Someone told me to prevent like dry starts. I used to didn't do it, but they told me that. But when I didn't do it, I didn't have no problem. So do what you want to do. Put a little bit in there, or you can just get some oil, rub it around. Push the oil filter back on. Now, if you a little fancy ass and you don't like all that oil, just get you some brake cleaner. Spray all up in there. Get all that oil out. All right, so you lay it down. Other side. All right, chat. Now you want to add the oil. My car take 4.4 quarts. This is a 5-quart jug, so you might as well add the whole thing. Funnel, you don't necessarily need it. You can just pour it in like that, but do what you want to do. Then I add a little bit of this. Top back on, you ready? Let me know if I should go single exit. Should I go single exit? Keep it dual. And you wanna always check under the car, make sure it ain't leaking or nothing. Looks like we ready to go. Need a little bit more power steering fluid. I did forget, always check it. Always check it after you change it. After you put oil in it. After you put oil in it, always check it. It look good to me, so. Now, you want to put your old oil in here, and you can take it to any auto parts store, Advanced Auto, AutoZone, O'Reilly's, anywhere. Drive. Finna hit the AutoZone real quick. Is that a 5.0? I always said I wanted a 5.0, but everybody got them, so I don't know. Come on, man. Alright. Just get it over to I guess I'll hop on the highway for y'all.
watch this shit. Alright, y'all. Wrap it up right here. Let me know what else should I post. I appreciate it. If you made it to the end, just know we tight. We locked in. I appreciate you. So if you watched the whole video, we locked in, man. But yeah, I see y'all next video whenever I post. I don't know what I'm gonna post, so